Which of the following is a book of prime entry and part of the double entry system? Book of prime entry means that it is where the transactions relating to whatever it is are first recorded. That is what we call prime entry. The first time you're recording something, and then part of double entry means that it is part of the ledger. Remember, when it comes to double entry is made in ledger accounts. Maybe you have cash account and maybe you have a creditor's account. So you debit, credit, whatever. As in, double entry takes place where there are two accounts involved. So a journal is, it does not, yes, it's a book of prime entry, but does not participate in double entry. Yep. So a journal is out. Then we have the petty cash book. The petty cash book is more like an extension of the cash book. It is both a book of prime entry. In other words, when cash transactions take place, they are first recorded in the petty cash book, and the double entry is completed in the respective ledger accounts. So, meaning that this is both a book of prime entry and a ledger. Sales journal has no difference with the explanation I've given for the journal. Then the ledger, yes, the ledger, the creditor's ledger. A ledger is where double entry takes place, true, but it is not a book of prime entry. In other words, it does not capture information from source. It gets its information from other books. So the answer is B.